In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Google Meet from Google Calendar. As we navigate through an increasingly digital world, the ability to swiftly join virtual meetings becomes essential. Google Meet integrated with Google Calendar simplifies this process, making it almost effortless to connect with colleagues, friends, or family, no matter where they are. So, if you've got a meeting scheduled and are wondering how to hop in right from your Google Calendar, you've come to the right place. First, ensure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're in, head over to Google Calendar. This can be easily accessed by typing Google Calendar into your search engine or by entering the URL calendar.google.com in your browser's address bar. Google Calendar is your gateway to all your scheduled events, so it's crucial to start here. Upon opening your Google Calendar, you'll see a series of events laid out according to your schedule. These events vary in color and details depending on how your calendar is organized. Look for the event you're supposed to join. It should be clearly marked with specifics such as the title, time, and might also include a brief description or list of participants. Once you've located your event, click on it. A pop-up window will appear showing more details about the event. Here you'll find the Join with Google Meet button. This button is your direct link to enter the virtual meeting room prepared for your event. The integration of Google Meet within calendar events makes joining meetings seamless, as it reduces the steps and confusion associated with virtual meeting links. After clicking Join with Google Meet, you'll be taken to the Google Meet interface. If this is your first time using Google Meet, you might need to allow your browser to access your microphone and camera. Ensuring that your camera and microphone are ready before the meeting starts helps avoid any last-minute rush and technical hiccups. Finally, you'll see the Join Now button on your screen. Clicking this will officially enter you into the meeting. You might land in a waiting room if the host has enabled such settings, or you might join the meeting directly. Either way, you're in the right place, and there you have it. Joining a Google Meet from your Google Calendar is as simple as that. A few clicks and you're ready to connect with others without fussing over meeting codes or links. Here's a quick tip before we wrap up. Always check your equipment and internet connection before joining any important meetings. It's also a good practice to join a few minutes early to ensure everything is working as expected. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your virtual meeting experience smoother and more productive.